Hello, followers of Jigawa State Nigeria. My people, tori dey for paper. E get one tori wey I see for the social media side just now, my people. Na say me I scatter am, make e for reach everybody. According to the tori, my people, they say tanker explosion don kpai about 90 people for Jigawa State Nigeria. They call hospitalize about 50 also. According to the tori, my people, they say this incident happen for Wednesday, that is today. They say this incident happen for around 12:30 a.m. They say when this tanker explode, the villagers of that community, all of them come out. They call dey serve the fuel. They call dey serve am like water. Na so the fire come take everywhere. Come carry all of them. Come kpai about 90 people. They call hospitalize about 50 people. As I see this tori, my people, e come make my baby dey scratch me. Now say me I scatter am, make e for reach everybody. I no know when Nigerians they go learn. This thing, e don tey when e be say e dey happen for Nigeria. But upon that one, many people they no wan learn. Whether na because of hardship wey e be say e dey for the country, na e come make people, many no come dey think twice before they do something and no come know. This incident first happen for one community like that when they call A.K.A for Delta State. This incident for happen for 1 year like that. E don tey. That time I even still dey Nigeria when this incident happen. I believe say na during Obasanjo regime, when Obasanjo still be president of Nigeria as a civilian. Na this incident take happen that time. Na so the fuel tanker explode that time. They say the villager of that community for that A.K.A for Delta State. No, I mean A.K.A for Delta State. They come and they serve fuel. And then they serve fuel, na so the fire take over all of them. According to that one, that time my people, the villagers nearly finish. Not be small people na kpai for that one. They even pass 90 when be say they kpai for that time. And the same incident na it don see happen for Jigawa so. Now forget say fuel, any small thing, say maybe even if na even happen, say maybe like basin, if e even crash, e go breathe fire come out. And you when be say you dey take the fuel, when you dey think say na water you dey take, at least small dot must dey your body. Anywhere the fuel dey for your body, the fire must take over am. As I see this tori, my people, e come make my baby dey scratch me more. Now say me I scatter am, make e for reach everybody. According to the tori, my people, over 90 person kpai in tanker explosion in Jigawa while scooping fuel. Several others hospitalized. At least 90 people have been reportedly kpai, with more than 50 others hospitalized following a catastrophic tanker explosion in Majiya village, Tura local government area of Jigawa State. The incident occurred around 12:30 a.m. on Wednesday while the fuel laundry tanker crashed, leading to a massive explosion. It was learned that the villagers were scooping fuel from the overturned tanker when the explosion ignited. So as the fuel tanker fall, na so the villagers they come. They call dey serve the fuel like water. Na in the fire they take over all of them. And they see the way things dey happen. As I see this tori, my people, e come make my baby dey scratch me more. Now say me I scatter am, may for reach everybody. You wan be say you dey watch the tori? Anything wey you see, no forget to leave am for the comment section. Like, share, may for reach everybody. I don go.